to the floor, but this old RV can't get much more. I see the cars lined up in my rear view, they're honking horns, what can I do? Oh, passing lane, where you at? I'm doing my best, but I'm feeling flat. Let those speedsters zoom on by, I'll wave them on with a friendly sigh. Passing lane, come quick, I pray, so this RV train can go on its way. Humming, but we're climbing slow up this hill with nowhere to go. I feel the pressure from that long parade, but I'm stuck in place. Oh, what a train! Oh, passing lane, where you at? I'm doing my best, but I'm feeling flat. Let those speedsters zoom on by, I'll wave them on with a friendly sigh. Passing lane, come quick, I pray, so this RV train can go on its way. Like a flag. The engine's humming, but we're climbing slow up this hill with nowhere to go. I feel the pressure from that long parade, but I'm stuck in place. Oh, what a train! Oh, passing lane, where you at? I'm doing my best, but I'm feeling flat. Let those speedsters zoom on by, I'll wave them on with a friendly sigh. Passing lane, come quick, I pray, so this RV train can go on its way. Like a flag. I'm not in a hurry, but I know they are. Wishing I could be a little sports car, but I'm hauling my home on wheels, so I gotta keep it safe. No place to hide. Oh, passing lane, where you at? I'm doing my best, but I'm feeling flat. Let those speedsters zoom on by, I'll wave them on with a friendly sigh. Passing lane, come quick, I pray, so this RV train can go on its way. So here I go, crawling up this hill, waiting for that sign, it's such a thrill. Passing lane, I see you now, time to let 'em by, I'll take a bow.